Hello, I'm Stanton Wright, and I play Aslan in The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe that's on tour at the moment. I've come to read you one of my favourite bits from The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. The reason this is one of my favourite bits is because I just love the message behind it, and it's actually technically not even part of the story yet. It's just the very beginning of the book. So here it is. My dear Lucy, I wrote this story for you. But when I began it, I had not realised that girls grow quicker than books. As a result, you are already too old for fairy tales, and by the time it is printed and bound, you will be older still. But someday, you will be old enough to start reading fairy tales again. You can then take it down from the upper shelf, dust it, and tell me what you think of it. I shall probably be too deaf to hear and too old to understand a word you say. But I shall still be your affectionate godfather, C.S. Lewis.